Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Roblox Executor on a Chromebook. It's important to understand that Chromebooks operate on Chrome OS, a Linux-based system, which fundamentally differs from the Windows environment where most Roblox Executors are designed to run. This incompatibility presents significant technical hurdles. Furthermore, Roblox strictly prohibits the use of third-party software, and attempting to bypass these measures can lead to severe consequences, including the permanent loss of your Roblox account and all associated progress. We will explore the common methods people attempt and their inherent risks. One common approach people consider involves utilizing the Linux beta feature available on many Chromebooks. While this allows you to install and run certain Linux applications, it's crucial to remember that the vast majority of Roblox Executors are specifically built for Windows operating systems. Attempting to bridge this gap often involves using compatibility layers like Wine, which can be complex to set up and rarely provide a stable or performant experience for demanding applications such as game executors. This path is fraught with technical difficulties and offers no guarantee of functionality. Another avenue explored is through Android applications, as many Chromebooks can run them. However, the official Roblox Android app does not support external executors, and any third-party Android executor apps found online are highly likely to be scams or malware designed to compromise your device and personal information. Alternatively, some users consider cloud gaming services that stream a Windows desktop experience. While this could technically allow Roblox and an executor to run in the cloud, it circumvents the Chromebook's operating system entirely and usually comes with a monthly subscription cost and potential input lag. It is paramount to understand the severe risks associated with attempting to use Roblox executors on any platform, especially a Chromebook. Beyond the technical challenges, you face the very real threat of a permanent ban from Roblox, losing all your progress and purchases. Furthermore, downloading and executing unverified software from the internet, particularly on a system like Chrome OS, significantly increases your vulnerability to malware, viruses, and data theft. For these reasons, there is no safe, reliable, or recommended method to achieve this. Always prioritize your account security and adhere to official platform guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.